Welcome back to the channel, everybody. This is part 2 of the Fiesta RS Turbo rebuild restoration. As you're aware, the car is still up in the yard and we've not managed to bring it down yet to do the underneath welding and fabrication. So I'm doing some little bits and pieces. What I'm going to do today is build up a set of Morettes. This is my second set of Morettes. I bought a first set. They weren't in the best condition. I offloaded them because another set came up at a better price, which, to be honest, were in real good condition. I built them up and I pinched the lenses out of them for my Escort. So, oops. So yeah, I've gone out now and I've decided I'm going to go LED. It's not a simple swap as I thought it would be. So here's a little journey of how we're going to do it, and I'm hoping it'll help other people in doing theirs. But in the meantime, I'm going to be doing something else on my Escort, because last night when testing the LEDs on there, I realised that one of my bulbs were out anyway, so I managed to drop an earth. So a bit of troubleshooting on that as well. So anyhow, I'll catch up with you in a minute. Before I go any further, I've waited 3 weeks for these little stickers. They're a little novelty as growing up and being into the cars in the early 2000s and like Max Power in the late 90s and stuff like that. Stuff like this was absolutely hilarious. I'll be honest, I waited 3 weeks for them and they kind of pants, but it's a gimmick and I'm going to enjoy them for a few weeks and just take them off because they only cost like £2. But yeah, the rest of them over here, I'd rather them to be the same size as a small one, to be honest, but that's a in-car rear mirror one. But yeah, how cool are they? Proper gimmicky. But yeah, that's that. Anyhow, enough cringe for now. So I noticed I have my normal dip beam on here and I have nothing on here. I put another bulb in to check and test, which I found really strange. But yeah, I've managed to lose my light on this side, so we're troubleshooting now. So there you have it. The earth and the dip beam is 14.28, 14.25. I've checked this side and it's exactly the same. And when I check my full beam, high beam, this one and this one is both on like 12.5, 14, which is right, which is the same as that side. Really, really strange, because now, so there we have it, with a bulb in and a multimeter on, we're running at 0.81. Super strange. So the bulb is breaking the contact of a circuit down strangely. Tweaking and trying. I've run a earth temporarily to the actual bulb itself. Let's run this earth to a chassis point. Oh. Yep, and there we have a light. So the earth is dropping out strangely. So is it this cheap Chinese pants holder, or is it the actual earth is broken down and it's not got enough contact? There we are, that's sorted. We have lights. Nice little simple quick fix. Thank God.
12 seconds later.
Right then, yo, enough of this nonsense about my Escort. You've seen plenty about this. Let's talk about my Fiesta. So you know my grey Fiesta, which I'm rebuilding, the rotten nail. Yeah, so I can't really do much work on it because the weather's pants outside, the car's still up in the yard. But what I'm doing is the little bits which I can tick off now in advance. I got all the panels, like I said, it's just ready to be fabricated. I'm looking over there what parts I got. I've got a set of Morettes which I wish to fit to it. I had a set of Morettes. I bought them off my mate Smithy and I had them super cheap, but they were battered. But I kind of fixed them up and I was going to use them. Another set came up local and the price was too good, literally like too good. So I sold the battered ones, bought the good ones, and I'm going to aim at restoring these. I'll show you the battered ones I had now. But if you look at the lenses and stuff, I put standard normal lenses back in, which are like readily available off eBay. You'll see the pictures. I bought trumpets and stuff, but I ended up taking them out and putting them into my Escort Morettes because the lights in there were battered too. It's common, Morettes just rot out. The lenses are like really expensive to buy from Morette itself, but you can just buy them on eBay and they are like super cheap. but I'm going for LEDs now. But let me show you those lights. It's really hard trying to do this one-handed, but that will go into here and that goes in here, okay? But it is a little bit of a problem. This part by here, let me show you, is catching on the edge. So that has to be like dremeled off and smoothed out. I'll show you what we're gonna look like complete. Bear in mind this is loosely fitted in my hand, but that's the kind of vibe we're going for. I'm going to use the DRL, not as a DRL, that will be my side light. And then obviously I'll have my main beam and my dip, well, my full beam and my dip through the LEDs. I see people wire indicators in and you get them flash orange and stuff. I'm not into all that, that's way too jazzy for a 32-year-old Fiesta. But I'm going to go for side lights in a halo, where the outer ring, where the DRL should be, and then the main beams and stuff in the middle. So there's the lights all tested. Look absolutely outstanding, to be honest. I can't stand in front of him because he's blinding me, but I'll try and move it around so you can see how bright they actually are. Yep, they're super bright. Pretty cool. I'm in an hurry now, we're putting them in the Escort. But I don't really shave anything back. I've just reduced down the screws in the back so it gives me more area for the light to sit in. I'm not going to bore you at the moment with prepping them and painting them. I'll do that at the body shop. It's just too wet outside. There's too much moisture in the air and stuff. And I haven't got much space in here at the moment. And I don't want to get grime and dirt everywhere. But yeah, so that's Morette. So that's one little thing done. And they are going to look great, so you get a taste of what the car is going to look like. Not the most exciting video, but hey ho, it's a bit of content for you, and I was really excited to share the lights with you. So again, thanks for watching, like and subscribe if you can, and I'll try and have a bit more excitable content coming up for you. Cheers. So that's the Morette, very loosely fitted, but you get the idea now. I'm really missing my old Fiesta, so it's really giving me a nudge now to get a move on this. I'll post some pictures of my old Fiesta if you haven't seen it. I'm sure everybody has. Just reaching out to the Fiesta audience, obviously always collectively looking for bits to reach out and grab, and any opportunities come up to buy things. Myself, Matt's just got millions and millions of parts. I'm sure you'll see in some of the future videos with the 8 or 9 Fiesta Turbos we've got to build. But in terms of my Fiesta, I am on a lookout for possibly a Pro Alloy or an AirTech front cooler like I had on my last car. I'll take an AirTech one, it's fine. I'm happy with a black one or a silver one. Maybe if it's even a little bit weathered meeting up, I'll probably end up painting it black or getting it powder coated, and it's going to go with the theme of the car in black anyway. So I don't want to pay over the odds for something. I know what you're worth and I know what you're worth new, and if it's going to be our price, I'll just buy a new one. But it's nothing I need urgently at the moment. But if anybody is selling one, and pipework. So I've currently got blue on it. In my head I know what I want, but if anyone's got any crazy colour, boost hoses or watercolour, water hose in any colour, just reach out and let me know, and see if we can sort something out. But yeah, also I've now become monetized, which is great news. I'm not going to make any money on YouTube, but if anybody does want to, like I said, give us any cleaning products or any tools, and we're starting to get loads of like adverts and stuff now. Not great for subscribers because they don't like to see that kind of stuff, but if you want us to use any of your stuff on a channel, you want us to give you a shout out, feel free. We game, it's all for fun, and we're really enjoying it now. So, and in return I can help reach a bigger audience with you, and do the same for your product and stuff. If that's what you wish, I can do a review on it, or I could even turn around and just offer discount codes or something like other people do. I don't know how it works. This is no side hustle for me, it's just fun. But anyway, cheers guys, and thanks.